You power on. To wrap it forward, press this button in this position. To wrap it back, turn the knob 45 degrees left and press the button. Okay, this selector switch turns the blade on. And this lever here changes the blade speed. Now this knob raises the rollers for moving the material in and running material left and right. Also, turning it to the right clamps the material in the vise. So if you need to open it, put in the center position, clamp opens. You can also tilt the beam. You can do an angle cut, either right or left. And also you can change your blade guide depth. If you're cutting short material, bring it down, long material, bring it up. And the coolant pump is handled here, either manual or automatic. When you turn the blade off, the pump turns off. Now if you're feeding it automatic, turn this lever 45 degrees to the left, and then put the carriage in the auto feed, and you open up the flow control, and the carriage will start feeding slowly. Now if you need more pressure for the blade cut, you turn this on, the pressure on the pump will go higher. Speed up your cut, you open the valve. Then you're ready to turn it, return it. Also has an automatic function. And thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.